What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the no GPS or GPS signal lost issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all check for the software update in your phone. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now tap on this software version and then it will automatically start checking for the available updates. So if you have any update pending, then update the phone software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software, the GPS issue will be fixed. But after updating, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings again. Now scroll down and here look for the battery option. So tap on battery and then tap on apps that are using too much battery and then force stop the app. Force stopping the app will stop the background data usage of the app, and after that the GPS signal issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now tap on about phone and then scroll down and here tap on factory reset. Now here again tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this erase all data option, here it will erase all the data from your phone, including photos, images, videos, contacts, apps, everything will be deleted. And after that the GPS signal issue will also be fixed. So that's how you can fix the no GPS signal or signal lost issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.